Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to save original photos on Instagram. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can save original photos that taken from Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can save original photos on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, you'll see your Instagram profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. And then from your profile page, simply tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, tap on the settings and privacy. From here, you have to scroll down. And you'll see in here archiving and downloading. Tap on it. And then in here, you'll see saving to camera roll. As you can see here, save original photos. To turn this on, simply toggle this button. As you can see, automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with the Instagram feed camera to your camera rolls. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can save original photos from Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can save original photos to your camera roll from your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.